Here is a video to show you how to use our addressing tool to set address for our low power and high power products. Today we prepared a power supply, addressing tool, DMX strip light, and a high power RGBW wall washer. Now let me show you how to set start address for strip light. Start wiring now. We have a 24V DC power supply. And then here's a addressing tool. Here is the DMX signal output. We need to feed 24V DC power to this addressing tool. And now power the light. We used a Y cable for power and DMX signal. 2-pin for 24V DC. XLR for addressing tool signal output. Also supply DC 24 for strip light. Then we start to set the address. Menu address. Select IC first. Select SM18522P for strip light. Then address 1 is the starting address. The following address is automatically obtained. RGB channel should be 3. RGBW channel should be 4. Our sample is RGB and we set channel to be 3. There are 3 modes of writing addresses. 1. Normal write address mode. 2. Unify write address mode. 3. Repeat write address mode. Let's first demonstrate the normal write address mode. Normal write address mode is now successful. Then the lights turn red in the first pixel. The other pixels are green. We can verify that the start address is 1 or not. If we set value is 1 at manual, the first pixel lights up. Second pixel light up when value is 2 at manual. Then the third pixel lights up. Then the fourth pixel lights up. The fifth pixel lights up. Unify write address mode is to set all pixels as 1 pixel. Now the whole strip is 1 pixel. We can do a test to see if whole strip is 1 pixel now. The whole strip light up when value is 1 at manual. And the whole strip light up as 1 pixel. Alright, next one. We demonstrate the repeat write address model. The function of repeat write address is set several pixels as 1 pixel. We can set the number of duplicate pixels here. Let's say we change it to 3 to group 3 pixels as 1 pixel. Let's have a try. Second pixel. Now we group 3 pixels as 1 pixel successfully. This is the menu of IC settings. If RGB select 3, RGBW select 4. This is the last frame and defaulty color when there's no signal. Now we set self-test color to be red when no DMX signal come in. Next page. Set the current of each color. You can set the current to change the wattage of each color. Here select the IC model. SM18522PH is for high power product. SM18522P for low power strip light. Let's choose SM18522P. Let's change current of each color to 10. Write in. The power consumption will change according to our setting. Let's write it a little bit lower, let's say 5. The power consumption will be reduced again. Let's back to home screen. Here is a color test function. You can do some simple test functions. Set channel to be 3 for RGB and 4 for RGBW. There are some effects here. Red, green, blue, white. Now let's set address for our high power RGBW wall washer. This is the DMX signal. Here is for DC 24V. Alright, we finished the wiring. The IC model should be SM18522P. 512 should be selected. Normal write address. The first pixel lights up red. The other pixels turn green color. Then let's make sure if we set address successfully or not. Here, press manual. At 1, the first pixel lights up. At 2, the second pixel lights up. Here is the IC settings. We set auto address step to be 4. Here we can set the defaulty color when there's no signal. Red, write-in. Next page we can set the current of each color. Set IC to be SM18522PH. You can change its current here. For example, let's write 28 to change the current of each color. You can do the color test here. Let's set channel to be 4. Red, green, blue, and white. Back, end.